They came to my house to invite me. By then my mother had not died. So I promised them I would come and I would spend time there and walk around and all that. And they said, one of the reasons for inviting me to say I'm an Igbo man. I used to say that until the issue of the vice presidency of ADC came to me. And Igbo say I'm not an Igbo man. So I told them, I said, that is the quarrel between the Ikwere and the Igbos. But when it is time to identify, we say we should be Igbos, right? To be Igbos. When it is time to talk, we say we are not Igbos. So since they have denied me because of vice presidency, anywhere I go now, I will say I'm not an Igbo man. Until they come to the public and say I'm an Igbo man, then I'm like, until the Igbos say it that I'm an Igbo man, then I
Rotimi Amaechi said that some Igbo people came to his house and they invited him to come to Igbo Fest in Abuja. He said that those Igbo people that invited him told him that they invited him because he is an Igbo man. Rotimi Amaechi said that he used to say that he is an Igbo man before the issue of vice presidency came up. And because he said that he wants to go to vice presidency, that Ndigbo started saying that he is not an Igbo man. Rotimi Amaechi said that when it's time to identify, that Ndigbo will say that Ikwerre is Igbo. But when it's time to chop, that Ndigbo will say that Ikwerre is not Igbo. Can you imagine that kind of statement? He said that since Ndigbo denied him and said that he is not an Igbo person, that wherever he goes, he will say that he is not an Igbo man. A wise and intelligent politician is expected to mind what he is saying in the public. But Rotimi Amaechi will not be like that. Just look at what Rotimi Amaechi is saying. When it's time to chop, that Ndigbo will say that Ikwerre people are not Igbo people. How that talk thing makes sense? Who is the President General of Ohaneze Ndigbo today? The President General of Ohaneze Ndigbo is Senator John Azota Mbata. Azota Mbata is from Ikwerre. The #1 citizen of Igbo land, the first citizen of Igbo land is Senator John Azota Mbata from Ikwerre. So, what is Rotimi Amaechi saying? On the 3rd of June 2025, Rotimi Amaechi went to Arise News in Abuja and said that he is not an Igbo man. He is here contradicting himself. Watch the next video and see what Rotimi Amaechi said in Arise News.
Which ethnic group do you belong to?
I'm an Ikwerre man.
What does that mean? I mean, there are people who say that if you talk to some Ikwerre people, they'll say they are Igbo. If you talk to others, like some Wiki, they'll say they are not.
Whether you're
and
Igbo,
at different times you have said you're Igbo, and other times you said you're not.
Don't bring that controversy. Don't bring that controversy. I don't know why you want to go into that controversy.
Well, because it's interesting to know what your position is on that.
No, it's not. Why is it not? Okay. You are first and foremost an Ikwerre man before you can be an Igbo man. So if you ask an Ikwerre man, who are you? You say, I'm an Ikwerre man. So what you can say is an Ikwerre man an Igbo man. There are those who, there are divergent views. Majorities will say no. In all our honesty, majority will say no. There is a very tiny minority which includes me. And why do I take that position? It's political. And when I say political, it's not to win the votes of the Igbos. I didn't like the way the Igbos were being treated at a particular point in time. In protest against that treatment against the Igbos, I began to wear, what was it called? The tiger head.
Traditional
clothes with the red cap. In protest, asking Nigeria to address their problem. Again, I made it public that I'm an Igbo man. In protest. It doesn't
but not in fact.
It doesn't make me, whether I'm an Igbo man or not, is immaterial at this point in time. Again, I also argue with my brothers in the Ikwerre community. Our cultures are similar.
Right.
Our language is also similar.
Okay.
The kind of food we eat, the same. So why would you deny not being an Igbo man?
Okay.
Amaechi said that on the 3rd of June 2025. Rotimi Amaechi said that he don't like the way the federal government of Nigeria is treating Ndigbo. And because of that, he started protesting against it by wearing Ishiago and red cap. That not that he is an Igbo man, but he is doing all those things in protest. How do you expect Ndigbo to trust such a person? When he said that on Arise News, I made a video about it last year. Now that Rotimi Amaechi went to Igbo Fest and said that thing, I brought back the video to show Ndigbo that someone like Rotimi Amaechi should not be trusted. Rotimi Amaechi is not seeing himself as an Igbo man. He sees himself as just an Ikwerre man. He not dey see himself as Igbo. Rotimi Amaechi should know that Igbo nation are not fighting to become the vice president of Nigeria. We want to be the president of Nigeria. The voice of a vice president does not matter. Now president they know. That is why we are in full support of Peter Obi. Some people are saying that Kwankwaso will become the president and Peter Obi will become his vice. Peter Obi said no, that he is the one that will be the president and Kwankwaso will be his vice. When people were saying that Kwankwaso will become president and Peter Obi will become his vice, so many Igbo people were against it. Myself, I am against it. How Peter Obi go become vice instead of the president? We said no, that Peter Obi should become the president of Nigeria and Kwankwaso should be his vice. And here Rotimi Amaechi dey talk say he wants to become the vice president of Nigeria. Make we dey support you say you wan be vice president. Did we Ndigbo tell you that we Igbos want to be the vice president of Nigeria? As you dey talk say Ndigbo deny you say you wan become the vice president of Nigeria, say you no be Igbo person. Rotimi Amaechi, if you like, go to every occasion that you want to go and be saying that you are not Igbo. E no go remove anything from the body of Ndigbo. Rotimi Amaechi, you are just one person. Senator John Azutambata is more important to Igbo nation than you, Rotimi Amaechi. You deny us, so we go deny you. You said that you are not an Igbo last year. So you want to make we come now, they push you, say, go and become the vice president of Nigeria. You are an Igbo man, you are our brother. Rotimi Amaechi, just know that you stand alone. All those Igbo people where they support you, they support you because of wetin go enter their pocket. Every sensible Igbo man is expected to support Peter Obi. You thought say you not be Igbo person last year. Now you come want to make Ndigbo, they push you, make you go become vice president of Nigeria. To represent who? You are just there to represent yourself, not to represent Ndigbo. You can't be denying we Ndigbo and be expecting us to be supporting you. If you like when they talk say you not be Igbo person, you no consign us. Nothing go come up for our body. You are just one person. You are not feeding Igbo nation. You are not the eye of Igbo nation. Ofumado Akalo Samado. You are just one person. The major candidate of 2027 presidential election is Peter Obi. The only thing that Tinubu is going to do in that 2027 election is to rig himself into power the way he did in 2023 presidential election. Tinubu know that he did not win that 2023 presidential election. He rigged himself into power. Peter Obi defeated Tinubu and Atiku hands down. Rotimi Amaechi, you are not different from Ifeanyi Okowa. You and Okowa wanna just get the same mindset. In 2022, Okowa went to Arise News and said that he is an Igbo man. All because he wants Ndigbo in the southeast to vote for him to become the vice president of Nigeria under Atiku. Those of now want to become vice president of Nigeria under Atiku. You people are so selfish, greedy people, self-centered people. Okowa had a meeting with Ndigbo in the southeast. They told him not to run as vice president under Atiku. He said, oh. Few days later, he started contesting to become the vice president of Nigeria under Atiku. Wetin you and your people agree upon, you went to their back and betrayed them. After the election, wetin happened? He lost. Because of that election, Ifeanyi Okowa stole 1.3 trillion naira from Delta State. Different politicians from Ukwane land have went to Arise News telling the world that Okowa stole our money. That every month that Okowa is deducting the monthly allocation given to local governments. He is deducting those money to pay for the 1.3 trillion naira that he stole. Up till now, EFCC is not doing anything about it. Even as all those politicians, they go Arise News, they talk all those things. Yet, EFCC not fit arrest Okowa, lock that man up in jail. Because I say Okowa is now a member of APC. EFCC not fit do anything because now APC they control EFCC. All EFCC knows how to do is to dey go Yahoo boys house, carry leg, they break door. Like say they want to arrest Boko Haram people. Like say they want to arrest bandits and terrorists. All they know how to do is to arrest Yahoo boys. If you go Kuala and I saw EFCC full there, Asaba and I saw EFCC full there, they raid young men. Looking for young men to arrest, but politicians where they pack money, politicians where they thief money, una not go fit arrest them, lock them up in jail. Ndigbo should support Peter Obi. Forget all those Igbo politicians wey no get sense, where they say they are on social media talking down on their own brother Peter Obi. Even as Tinubu take, they rule Nigeria so bad. People are dying every day. Nigerians are hungry. As Tinubu government turn Nigeria upside down, no Yoruba politician they come out they speak against their Yoruba brother Tinubu. More than 5 Yoruba kings have been killed by Fulani bandits and terrorists. Yet, no Yoruba governor, senator or House of Reps member is speaking against Tinubu. Instead, all of them they support Tinubu for 2027 presidential election. But for Igbo people, oh na lie. You go see politicians from different 5 Southeast states. They go come out for national television. They talk rubbish with their team out. They speak against their brother Peter Obi. When they say that Ndigbo don't love themselves, they are talking about this set of evil politicians that we have in Igbo land. We Igbos, we don't know how to promote our own. We not sabi push our own forward. If na Hausa people, they're going to push their candidates. Even if that their candidates bad, they're going to push them. Fulani going to push their own. Yoruba going to push their own. But our own for Igbo land a lie. Instead, you go see politicians, governors, senators that go come out for national television, they talk rubbish. The reason why some of those politicians are supporting Tinubu is because they are APC members. Some of those politicians, they don't steal money finish. They are not waiting that they embezzle for this country. And they know say, if Peter Obi enter power, they're not going to fit get that opportunity, they steal that money again. And many of them go end up in jail. That is why they are against Peter Obi. Because they know what will happen to them if Peter Obi becomes the president of Nigeria. You no go see Hope Uzodinma come out for national television. They speak against Peter Obi. Even if he is not supporting Peter Obi, you will never see him come out and speak against Peter Obi. He will never say something bad against Peter Obi. Now be politician wey get sense. But some other politicians for Igbo land, they go national television, they speak against their brother Peter Obi, so that Fulani government will love them, so that Tinubu will love them. You will never see Governor Alex Oti of Abia State come out on national television to speak ill about any politician in Igbo land. You will never see Governor Peter Mba of Enugu State come out and speak against any politician in Igbo land. But other politicians, ewo, Peter Obi your own brother, now you dey speak against Peter Obi your own brother. Ewo, Ndigbo just gets very bad politicians. We don't know how to defend our own. We don't know how to promote our own. Other ethnicities for Nigeria, they push their own to actualize wetin they want. Our own be say we go dey draw am down, they bring am down, they make sure say we destroy that person. Now because of this vice presidential race, now even make us know say you get who they call Rotimi Amaechi. You are Igbo, you are not Igbo. That is not our business. Ndigbo, support Peter Obi. Peter Obi is the right choice for Igbo nation. A word is enough for the wise. Ishegwale.